Gotta clean the connectors to check that for the battery. Clean all the battery, acid off of there. Clean this up in here so we can put, and then clean that up so we can put that on. So we got this thing started and running finally. So what we had to do is, this was already off, so all we had to do is clean that up. We had to, the bowl, or the float was sticking in the bowl. Got that somewhat cleaned up for that. And then we had to get a new fuel line and fuel filter because that was clogged. This is almost empty now. But we got all that working. We had to put a new solenoid in there. We got a new solenoid in there, new fuse. That was a simple one. But yeah, now it's running. So finally running, we can start it up and we can finally start transforming it into a racing mower. The bowl on the carburetor, and then we just bought a new one because it was running, but it wasn't running the happiest, so we have to take this off, those bolts here, start with taking the air filter off the top and work our way. Got to get this case put back on after we put that flywheel back on, so let's get to it. So we got the new carburetor put on there. There's the old one, there's the new one. We're gonna take this off the old one. I'm gonna take this rod, put it in there. Yeah, take this off here, put it in that in. You got a little crack in the hood, sadly, but you're gonna get that stuff. So we got this taken off, or we had to plug this hole here, and we had to plug the hole on the air filters in, so nothing would get in. We plug this hole down here, but it looks so nice and clean. So this whole thing should be clean. We gotta put this back on, the top back on this, and then yeah, just fill it up with gas. So when we turn this into a racing mower, it'll look nice. So I look so much better with that carburetor, and it actually runs a lot better too. I think it sounds like it ran better, at least. But yeah, coming along really nice. We got it running at least.